Today we're reviewing stock number 191950 on a 2018 GMC 2500 SLT, and our exterior color is black. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, wood grain trim, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrap upholstery, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, heated steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, wireless charging pad, garage door opener, OnStar 4G LTE with electrochromatic mirror, CD, AM, FM radio with auxiliary, climate control with AC, heated seats, power adjustable foot pedals, tracking control, rear cargo line controls, park assist controls, hill descent controls, and diesel exhaust brake. And our interior color is black. Moving on to exterior features, we have running boards, chrome alloy rims, mud flaps, tailgate step, rear parking assist, backup camera, spray-on box liner, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, and you can fold the seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 191950 on a 2018 GMC 2500, and our exterior color is black.